understanding and can pay their teachers well. Teachers of this country cannot accept to be under MCAs, by the way. Yes. It is likely also to bring the ever-yawning inequality that we have experienced and marginalization that we have experienced in this country. And those are the key issues which are there. If we were to accept devolution, then it means that we are sure that we have defined education to be an equalizer, and therefore every county has the same standards of facilities, every country has got the same understanding and can pay their teachers well.
Jambo lingine natakana mzee wa kazi Raila anaambia Ruto na serikali ni kwamba wale ambao wanaenda katika boarding schools wana malipo ya juu sana. Tuondoe boarding schools, tukuwe na msimu ambayo wanafunzi wote wanaenda kwenye day school na wanarudi nyumbani kana wazazi wao, na hivi ndio vile iko katika dunia nzima.